Good morning, students. In this video we will study about electrolytic reduction of alumina. See children, here it is given in figure 8.12, extraction of aluminium. So what happens in this method? Electrolysis of molten mixture of alumina is done in a steel tank. How is this tank? The tank has a graphite lining. See, it is shown here. Tank ला आतमध्ये graphite ची lining असते and it works as a cathode. Then see that yellow color rods are given. They are the set of graphite rods dipped in the molten electrolyte. So, and it acts as anode. Got it? And these rods are dipped in the mixture of cryolite, see Na3Al(F6) and fluorospar. These graphite rod are dipped in this mixture and to lower its melting point up to 1000 degree. Means the tank is there, inside that graphite lining is there, it acts as cathode. Then three graphite rods are there, it acts as anode. That yellow color rod that acts as anode, and it is dipped in the mixture of cryolite and fluorospar. Then what happens when you pass the current? What happened? Aluminium is deposited on the cathode, means that graphite lining, and molten aluminium it is heavier than electrolyte. It is collected at the bottom. म्हणजे aluminium जे आहे ते graphite lining वर जमा होते आणि molten aluminium जे आहे ते heavier असल्यामुळे ते खाली जमा होते. It is collected at the bottom. Then it is taken out from there time to time. See, the opening is there, outlet for molten aluminium. It is taken out from there time to time, and oxygen gas is liberated at the anode, that is at the graphite rod, and this liberated oxygen gas reacts with anode to form carbon dioxide, and that's why the anode has to be changed from time to time during electrolysis of aluminium. म्हणजे हे जे anode आहे इथे नेहमी ऑक्सिजन गॅस जमा होतो. ऑक्सिजन गॅस ॲनोडसोबत रिॲक्ट होऊन कार्बन डायऑक्साईड गॅस तयार होतं. म्हणून नेहमी आपल्याला जेव्हा इलेक्ट्रॉलिसिस करायचं असते तेव्हा ते जे रॉड आहेत ग्रॅफाईट रॉड ते चेंज करावं लागतात. सी द रिॲक्शन इज गिवन ॲनोड रिॲक्शन अँड कॅथोड रिॲक्शन. at anode reaction oxidation takes place and at cathode reaction reduction takes place. Then you will see extraction of moderately reactive atoms. See, reactive metals. See children, what do you mean by moderately reactive metals? Means in the reactivity series the metals which is in the middle reactivity series मध्ये जे metals असतात त्याला म्हणतात moderately reactive metals. Which are they? They are iron, zinc, lead, copper. They are moderately reactive and they occur in the form of their sulfide salts or carbonate. ते बहुतेक सल्फाईड किंवा कार्बोनेटमध्ये मिळतात. So what happens? The sulfide ore are strongly heated in air to form oxide. sulfide ओरला स्ट्रॉंगली हीट करतात एअरमध्ये आणि त्या प्रोसेसला म्हणतात रोस्टिंग. आणि कार्बोनेट एअरला जेव्हा स्ट्रॉंगली हीट करतात एअरमध्ये तेव्हा त्याला म्हणतात कॅल्सिनेशन. सी चिल्ड्रन, द फॉलोइंग रिॲक्शन्स अकर ड्युरिंग रोस्टिंग अँड कॅल्सिनेशन ऑफ झिंक. बघा रोस्टिंगमध्ये काय होतं, झिंक ऑक्साईड तयार होते आणि कॅल्सिनेशनमध्ये झिंक कार्बोनेटपासून झिंक ऑक्साईड तयार होते. देन दिस झिंक ऑक्साईड विच इज ऑप्टेन ZnO जे आपल्याला मिळते इट इज रिड्यूस्ड टू झिंक बाय युजिंग रिडक्टंट सच ॲज कार्बन. मग झिंक ऑक्साईडला आपल्याला प्युअर झिंक पाहिजे तर काय करतो आपण इथे रिडक्टंट वापरतो, ते म्हणजे कोणतं कार्बन. अँड ऑलवेज वी कॅनॉट यूज कार्बन, वी कॅन यूज अदर्स metals also such as sodium, calcium, aluminum. They are also used as reducing